To Python for Beginners, Part 4, Built-in Functions. So let's get started. What actually are functions? Functions are reusable and organized blocks of code. They can be created, but Python also offers some built-in ones. They help reduce the amount of code you need to write. To use one, type the keyword and then type a pair of brackets and then input stuff inside the brackets. The stuff inside the brackets depend on which kind of function you're using. A built-in function. So examples of them are print, which makes things you type in the brackets show up in the screen, and input that allows you to create questions, and int, which turns the value in the brackets into a whole number. Float turns the value in the brackets into a decimal. And str turns the value in the brackets into a string. So these are a few common ones I'll use. Demonstration time. Just go to Python and this one. So this is a new file. So I'll write okay, let's see. So question 1 equals input, and then this is a variable inside. I mean a string inside. Sorry. So Q1 is the variable, and input. Would you like to play a game? Oops. Okay. Then remember to type a close quotation mark and a close bracket. Oops. Let me see. Okay, I'll just type it again, sorry. Then close quotation mark. Okay, so this time it worked. And then so I'll use a conditional called if Q1 equals please remember you need to write two equal signs here. So Q1, if Q1 equals yes. Oopsie. So remember the column, and then it will automatically indent itself. So okay, and then print. Oopsie. Print. Okay. And then I'll use else if. Equals no. Oops. And then colon, and then print or. Okay, and then now I'll write the else statement, else colon, and then print type yes or no. Okay, so let's save this code. Just click Ctrl S, and then if you are using the Mac, or you can just file and then click save. Okay, then I'll run it. So you can click F5. Oops. Okay, so or you can click this. So I'll type yes and then okay. Now run it again, and then I'll type no or, and then I'll run it again and type some nonsense and type yes or no. Okay, so let's go back. So this is the end of the video, and please like, share and subscribe if